Here at the Stuart, Florida Air Show, this is an Army Huey helicopter.
And then this way. I put one into the tree.
One, two, three,
What do you guys wish to?
Ay, con la bandera.